In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone on Skype in less than 5 minutes. This process is super simple, and by the end of this tutorial, you will be fully equipped to connect with friends, family, or colleagues on Skype with ease. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Skype website. Once there, you'll see an option to open Skype in browser. Go ahead and click on that. If you're not already signed into your account, Skype will prompt you to sign in. Make sure to enter your login details to proceed. Next, you will see a search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you can type in the Skype ID of the person you wish to add. It might be a name, an email address, or a phone number. Whatever it is, just type it into the search bar and hit enter. As you search, Skype will sift through its database to find a match to the ID you've entered. Once Skype finds the matching account, it will display it on the screen. It's essential you ensure that the account matches the person you're trying to add to avoid any mix-ups. Once you've located and verified that it's the correct account, the next step involves some navigation on the Skype interface. At the top of Skype, you'll notice the profile photo of the account you've selected. Click on this profile photo. Doing so will bring up a few options related to that account. Finally, among the options presented, you'll see one that says Add Contact. Go ahead and click on Add Contact. And just like that, you have successfully sent a contact request to the person you wish to add on Skype. Once they accept your request, you'll be able to start chatting, calling, or video calling them as per your requirements. A quick tip: make sure you're adding the correct person. It's easy to make a mistake, especially if the person has a common name. Don't hesitate to double check the Skype ID or ask for a profile photo to confirm you're adding the right individual. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to adding someone on Skype. Happy Skyping, and remember, it's always about staying connected with those who matter the most.